Hello everyone, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Christian from Pro Digital. In this video, I will walk you through on the new CAC registration dashboard. Recently, CAC updated their or upgraded their application or their portal, which now entails merging both the pre-incorporation and post-incorporation service in one portal. And again, they implemented the use of artificial intelligence when it comes to validation of proposed name for reservation in order to fast track the registration process based on complaints that they have been receiving from users, right? I'll walk you through on how you can navigate the new portal. Now, the first thing is you need to log in. If you observe now, for you to log in, you need to an OTP will be sent to you. That is additional security measures that the commission thought wise that they need to introduce in order to, secure users' account. Now for you to log in, you after putting your username and your password and you click on login, then a one-time password will be sent to your email address. And one thing about this is the email address you used in creating your account is not editable. Please and please you need to take note of that. The email address you used in creating your account is not editable. Now for you to edit your email address, that means you need to send a mail to CAC for them to assist you in editing or changing your existing email address. Now we'll check my email address for the code and the one-time password, sorry, and get it imputed. Good. Now this is the new interface of the company registration portal. Like I said earlier, that they merged both the pre-incorporation and the post-incorporation service module together. Now the first one by my left hand side is the pre-incorporation section. So when you click on it, you see everything here has to do with the pre-incorporation services. So if you want to move as an accredited agent, if you want to move to the post-incorporation page, then you click on post-incorporation. You will now be directed to the post-incorporation page. So this is it. Now let me go back to the pre-incorporation. That is where we're going to lay more emphasis and discussion on. So guys, if you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, kindly hit the subscribe button and smash the notification bell so that you get updated whenever I publish great content like this in the future. And again, if you wish to join my masterclass where you will learn more about company registration, business registration, partnership registration, kindly reach out to me. My phone number is on the screen, or you can check the description of this video and uh, send us a message via WhatsApp. Now, for the pre-incorporation portal, for you to apply for name reservation, you need to click on this menu here, which is name reservations. You will click on it, then under new name reservation, you select this. You can see the business classifications. You have business name, company, limited liability, partnership, limited liability, limited partnership. Then the last one is the limited liability partnership. Now you will be surprised that there is no provision for incorporated trustee. Now the question is, does it mean they have scrapped incorporated trustee? No. The answer to this is no. There is a different menu for incorporated trustee, and that is called name requiring consent. So for you to apply for NGO registration, any incorporated trustee class like church, uh, NGO, associations, club, you need to go through this menu here, which says name requiring consent. So when you click on it, it will now direct you to the page where you can apply for your church or your school or your NGO registration. So now when you click on it, then you can click on apply for consent, because these particular registrations require a consent code or approval code to be issued before you can proceed with the registration. So that is how it works. Now when you click on the name reservation, you scroll down to business classification, then you see the incorporated trustee option here. So when you click on it, then under your business type you see check incorporated trustee. Reason is what? uh, New incorporation. So if you're applying for a new name reservation, that is the new process flow. So that's all about that on the dashboard to apply for name reservation for incorporated trustee. Now for the business name registration, the process still remains the same, but just a little change on the dashboard. And one thing you need to take note of is number one, for business name registration, while applying for your name reservation, you need to include the nature of the business. Please and please take note of this. You need to include the nature of the business, because failure to include it after the reservation of the name at the point of you carrying out the main filing, you will not be able to add nature of business. That means the nature of the business will not appear on the certificate, and I know that your client will not be happy for you to present his or her certificate to her and the nature of her business is not uh, appearing on the certificate. So if you want the nature of your business to appear on the certificate, please and please, while applying for the name reservation, endeavor to include the nature of the business. So let's assume that I want to register PKC Enterprises, PKC General Enterprises or Enterprise. Copy that is the business name. Now the nature of the business here, you need to select the exact nature of business. Let's assume that this PKC enterprise are into need to select anything here, uh, administrative and support. Now the specific business, let's say they're into car wash services, right? So click on check availability here. We are sorry, the business name PKC General Enterprise did not pass the compliance check. Proposed name does not include any business name qualifier. Please add a qualifier to improve chance of approval, e.g. ventures, enterprises, and so on. So I need to add, let me make it enterprises here. Now they are using AI now. So AI has been configured in such a way that it review immediately and confirm the compliance of the name that you wish to apply for reservation. So I will click on check availability again. So the system will confirm the name and the business name PKC Enterprise did not pass the compliance check. Similar company name exists. That means something exists. Now the chances is about 86%. So there are two options here. I need to update the business name or I can apply to get name suggestion. Now for me to apply to get name suggestion, the additional cost is around 200 naira. So let me just go out and look for something else. Let's say YU PKC General Enterprises, right? Check for availability. Good. Congratulations. The business name YUPKC Gen Enterprises is available for registration. Then you click on continue. Continue to payment. So as soon as you make payment, automatically the name will be reserved. As soon as you make payment, automatically the name will be reserved. I have one here, so let me use that as a real-time case study. So new name reservation here. So our target is sole proprietorship. Continue. I will type in the name of the business. Tunjek Electrical Service. Just do it this way. Then the nature of the business, series of electrical appliances, mining, transportation, information qualifications, applications and support. Now, specific nature of business here, we have electrical services is not event management, electrical services. So let's click on check availability. The business name to say did not pass the compliance test. Check the word. The word A is prohibited. Kindly modify. Sometimes this system can be so funny. You understand? So leave it dash to A. Check availability. The business name. So single word name is not allowed. Not allowed. So let me add something to it. Electrical. Electrical. So they're prohibiting the word A, alphabet A. So if you have A, letter A in your business is not allowed. Wahala. The commission need to look at this. Trusted elect service ventures. Well, you have to play around it. So while applying for name reservation, you need to play around it until you beat these compliance tests. Okay, so Toastech elect service ventures is okay. Uh, Click on continue, proceed to payment. So we're paying 500 naira as usual. Always copy your remitter ID, uh, your remitter number, then wow, instantly you will get your availability code. That is great. But the only challenge here is they need to work on their AI compliance test so that it will remove those strict, restrictions of alphabets that it has. But I think for the speed, it's okay. I can see I've been able to generate my availability code. So continue with filing and don't need to wait. Continue with filing. Let's see. The business name is Tuntech Select Services Ventures. Um, the company address. Okay, nature of business. Now the nature of so far you have been able to understand or see the new interface of the CRP, and also we have been able to look at how you can apply for name reservation for an incorporated trustee. Then we also covered how you can apply for new name reservation for a business name. I also draw your attention to the new development when it comes to applying for business name registration, that while applying for name reservation, you should take note of the nature of the business. Ensure you include the nature of the business before you proceed with the name reservation, because failure to do so at the cost of you applying for at the cost of you filing your application, you will not be able to include the nature of the business. So please and please, think this video is great. Kindly give it a thumbs up, and able to share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you have interest to join our masterclass, then feel free to link up or call my number. You can see it on my screen. You can as well check the description of this video for our WhatsApp contact so that you can reach out to us. So that's all about that for now. Stay tuned and keep watching. I'm Chris. I am Proverb Digital.